Yawning is contagious. Ever wonder why you yawn when someone else does? Scientists think it's all about empathy. When you see someone yawn, your brain mirrors their action. It's like your brain is saying, hey, that looks like a good idea. This mirroring response is a part of our social bonding toolkit. Think about it. When you're in a group and one person yawns, it's like a domino effect. Suddenly, everyone's yawning. Your brain is wired to sync up with your surroundings. It's like the ultimate team-building exercise, but with yawns. So the next time you find yourself in a yawn fest, just remember, it's not you, it's empathy. You're simply connecting with those around you in the most natural way possible. And hey, at least you know you've got some solid empathy skills. So what do you think? Did I make you yawn at least once? Drop a comment and subscribe for more curious facts.